Hi, this is Kelly with Fitgenes USA Practitioner Support. In this video, I will show you how to log into your account for the first time and how to order your first kit. When your registration was approved, you should have gotten an email sent to you that looks like this. It contains your username and a link to set up your account. You'll want to click on that link right here. It will take you to a page that looks like this. On this page, you want to scroll down to where it says New User, Sign Up. Type in your full name, the email that you used to sign up, and then create a password right here. Click Sign Up. That will then take you to a page that looks like this. This is your practitioner portal. Here you have access to the learning library. This is where you'll go to order your kits. And then this is where you will set up Pracware, which allows you to view your clients' results, resend consent forms, and to track the progress of their kits. So let's look at ordering a kit here. This takes you to the page that has your 3 choices of the kits that we offer. We always recommend the genetics and carb choice because it is a $50 savings, but you can also order the test separately. If your client loses their kit, you can order a replacement kit here. So let's look at ordering the combo kit. You would click here, and on this page, you will want to enter your client's full name, their email address where their consent form will be sent, and their phone number. Then over here, make sure that you have the correct item that you're wishing to purchase. If there's a coupon code being run, you can enter that here and hit apply. Then here you will enter your credit card information since you are selling the kit to the person. Hit I agree to the terms, click complete order, and that will automatically trigger a consent form to go to the email address you provided. Once your client has filled out that consent form, their kit will be released to the address that they provide. Now, if you go to our website, you can click on Practitioner Portal right here. That too will take you to where you can order your kits, get into Pracware for the results, or access our learning library. So the learning library contains videos, PDFs on sample reports. It also contains some sample meal plans that you might want to share with your clients. If you ever want to go back to the main page up here in the left corner, you just click that, and that will always bring you back to the learning library where you can order kits and where you can manage your clients in Pracware.